In June 2024, 77 members of the Citizens Coalition for Change were arrested during a peaceful event at Jameson Timber's house in Avondale, Harare. Their crime? Dreaming of a better Zimbabwe. UK-based activist Delina Mutyambizi has launched a GoFundMe campaign to support these courageous individuals and their families. These activists face dire prison conditions and prolonged pre-trial detentions. They need our help. Your support can make a real difference. It can provide legal aid, improve prison conditions, and offer hope to families torn apart by injustice. Imagine what it feels like to be punished for wanting positive change. Every donation brings us one step closer to justice, one step closer to freedom. Stand with Delina, stand with the 77 CCC activists. Stand for human rights. Your help can light the way. Visit the GoFundMe page today. Together we can be the change they need.